The name of the article that I decided to read was "The Business Case for Women Leaders: Meta-Analysis, Research Critique, and Path Forward." This article was written by Jenny Hubler, Courtney Masterson, Stella Nakomo, and Eric Michael in March of 2016. I chose to read this article because I felt that women have struggled a lot over the years, especially in the business world. I felt that this article would help me to see and read about women getting chances and moving up in the business world, being able to show that they're capable of being CEOs and running companies. If companies in the US began doing this, then why can't the rest of the world? Key points. Some key points I took away from this article were that women are really starting to get opportunities. Women bring unique mindsets and ideas to the table, and it can only help companies differentiate themselves from others and create a diverse and healthy work environment. There is nothing wrong with women being the bosses. If women are in international management roles, they show other countries that the US is taking steps towards helping women be more equal to men, making other countries and international companies think maybe they should give women more of a chance as well. Women add diversity to the workplace because they offer unique leadership styles and bring different dynamics to leadership teams than men do. In the research reading, there were multiple case studies and examples shown, but the one that stuck out to me proposed two questions. In this case study, it showed more in-depth examinations. This study provides a comprehensive empirical assessment of the available research that links women's representation in leadership to organizational financial performance. Specifically, they focused their attention on two research questions. What is the relationship between women's leadership and organizational financial performance? And under what condition is women's leadership positively related to organizational financial performance? In an effort to bring greater clarity to these two questions, an original meta-analysis was conducted to evaluate the evidence for a direct link between women's leadership and organizational financial performance, as well as the contextual factors that shape the magnitude and direction of this relationship. Tests were conducted to show different measures of financial performance and theoretically derived moderator analysis to identify conditions when women leaders may be more able to apply their skills and perspectives to affect the financial performance of organizations. This case study showed that in regard to gender-supportive climates, several theories, namely critical mass theory, social identity theory, and upper echelons theory, are loosely based on the idea that women leaders can have an effect on performance if the climate or culture in the organization or in the larger society is conducive to women occupying leadership roles. Overall, this article I read really opened my eyes to women in the workplace. It showed me that international companies can be influenced by their allies in other countries and that women can be leaders, CEOs, and make serious decisions in the workplace. Women are reliable and are beginning to move up in the world and help evolve international business in the future.